Morning, everyone. I know we did a video a few weeks or so back about the proper way to metal restore, okay? Do metal restoration. This is an actual application that we've done. Alright. Bear with me, I'm trying to hold the camera straight. This patch panel has been put in, but it's just not a flat piece of steel. It's been curved, okay? We made that curve equal to what the door is. Alright, these little tools, they put a little gap in there, the right size gap. Alright, and it's all the way down. This gives you the proper gap, this gives you the proper fitment of that patch panel, and this is how to properly restore the metal itself. Minimal amount of fillers, bringing the metal back up to where it's supposed to be, trying to get the metal to be your surface and not a filler. Same thing over here. The dark areas are low spots, alright? We'll try to work those a little bit higher. Same as those, alright? Everywhere on the door that's a little bit of a dark area, most of this is going to be staying the way it is. Mine are working there. We've already brought up this again. I can show that later once we get it touched with the file. This has got a little bit of work to go, but that is the proper way. You don't just throw filler in there and bring it until it's level with the rest of the surface. That's not the right way to do it. Filler's not a bad thing, but when used incorrectly, it's horrible. So I just wanted to make this video to show in a real application this is precisely how to do a restoration style metal repair. The quality here is uncomparable. So this is the right way. This is absolute perfection. When you're doing a restoration, this is what you want. You don't want a bunch of fillers. So anyway, just wanted to make sure that this video got out there so I could kind of give you guys a clear example of what we were talking about in the other video. Enjoy.